Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing some pancake tacos. I saw these a couple times. Quite a few people did them and I was like, well, I could try that. It's pretty simple, pretty good. I know this could be a favorite for the kids. If you guys have kids, even yourself. I mean, pancake tacos, I mean, you can just hold them, a little bit of syrup. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Blackstone. All right, guys, now that our Blackstone is ready, let's go ahead and add some oil so we can put our sausages down first. Sausages down. Went to Walmart and I go ahead and bought these. So it made sense because if I make a lot of tacos, right? I make a lot of tacos on this. Why not? I thought this was cool when I saw this a while back ago. Now I have one. So as you can see, it's brand new. So when I cook breakfast, I always cook it on low because when you do eggs or pancakes, it's always on low. And that's why I do the rest on low just because it makes it easier. All right, guys, so now that the thing's ready, let's go ahead and add our pancakes. Now we can do our egg scrambled. Let's go ahead and add our little rack here. About to get ready with these pancakes. Just like that. Oh, that was a big one. Not too shabby. Let's go ahead and take it to our table and put some syrup on this. All right, guys, so here we have it. So let's go ahead and add our syrup. All right, so let me grab this one in the middle because this has my name on it. Look at that. Not even bad. Pretty much it's just a griddle, my griddle. But to have fun, you make it in a taco. Pancake taco. It's a good thing on the go. It's good. It's delicious. It's easy. It's something fun. You know, you have kids and you're like, oh, tacos. Or you got some friends over, you're like, hey, you want to try some pancake tacos? They're going to be like, what? And then you bust out the tray with your little tacos. Can't go wrong. So make sure you guys hit that that subscribe button for more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss. You guys check out these videos. We'll see you guys next time.